What's good, guys? You already know Juanito Chuno Drive here. So I just got a new tripod here, just kind of like playing with it, see how it looks, how everything works. We're making a video right now. We're gonna go put the LED lights on the door, underneath the doors of the A7 2013 A7. Showing you guys how you do it. It's a pretty cool thing you can add to your car. I just want it tonight. A little flex, ting. Anyways, yeah. So check it out. Okay. What's up, guys? Your boy Juanito. Such a nice day today. Here we are, TND gang representing. You already know how we do it. So right now we're right here. We are with Juan's Audi A7. We are going to change the lights under his doors. We're gonna put LED lights, right, Juan?
That's correct. Yeah.
That's correct.
Do the under lights for the doors.
It's gonna look pretty cool at night when he opens the door. What is it gonna say?
It's gonna say either Audi or Audi S. I didn't check, but we're gonna see.
We'll see. It'll be cool. Okay, stay tuned, boys. All right.
Now that I've already installed one of the lights, I'm just gonna show you. Mine didn't have the same exact clip. Mine was just a 2-prong one, but it was kind of awkward because it was like this 2-prong, right, instead of the fat one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab both these ends. We're gonna put them each on one side. So right here, I'll show you how to do it. Like this, you just slide them on. Easy installation, guys. And you take this little end, and I'll show you how to do this. Quick pop out,
right out, right there. Okay.
Quick pop out, and yeah, for this one, you gotta kind of like push the clip out or push the clip in to slide it out. Set that one down. And then
okay, guys, so we actually already have done all the doors. So we already did
the two left sides.
Two left side,
right,
front right.
So now we're missing the top, the rear right.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that one.
This is the last one.
Yes, sir.
Now that we've already done through it, it's pretty easy, simple installation. But I know there's people that don't really know how to do it, and I'm just here to bring you some little bit of knowledge because I've done it before. I had an A4 previous to this, so I did it on there, and I know I had trouble finding a video even to do it. So now that I'm able to do it now, I can show other people. So the last one, and then we got it, and I'll show you a little preview later tonight what it looks like with the Audi on the ground. Magnifique. And there you go, full power, boys.
Okay, can you just show them real quick where the cables go? So right there, you got the Audi sign going.
Yeah.
Okay, so
the cables, the cable will just kind of be hanging right there, but you just gotta push it in, and it'll just go inside.
Okay.
Clip it back in, and there will be no evidence of tampering with the lights. So now you can see kind of what it shows Audi, but during the night it looks way better, which I'll show you clips later today.
Okay, guys. Yeah, but that's about it. If you guys want to see a review on this A7, leave a like, comment. It's actually tuned. What's the tune that he has, Juan?
It's a stage 1 tune. It's by Park Auto Motorsports.
Park Auto Motorsports, okay.
And
it's a custom tune, correct?
Custom tune,
okay.
But it's not dynoed.
Okay.
But they know exactly the power that they added to it. Typically, these are 310 horsepower.
Okay.
333 torque.
Okay.
Now it's doing pretty much the same 420 horsepower, 420 torque.
Oh, damn. So
it's a monster.
She is, and she's all-wheel drive, right?
All-wheel drive V6 supercharged.
Ooh, baby. All right, guys. Well, more will be coming on the A6. This is your boy Juanito.
That's the end of the call.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Right here, guys. This is what the logos look like at night. So let me just kind of show you guys. Sorry, with the camera, I'm trying to get it going. Yeah, guys. So there you guys have it. That's the logo, right? So that's how she looks right there. And so yeah, guys. So that's you just farted, fucking wild. All right, Joe, you take it easy, homie. I'll see you soon, all right?
Hey, yo, bro. I'm texting, eh? Sounds good, bro. Let me know, eh? That's fine, soon. Sounds good, bro. I'm good, eh? You soon, bro.
Peace, homie. See ya, broski. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, my man. You take it easy.
Let me know tomorrow.
Yes, sir. I'll let you know. Woo, we got a nice Camaro SS. Hey guys, so hope this video was helpful. Just back here in my garage now. You guys got to see the lights, how they look at night. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I think he paid $15 for that, if that. And it was like the coolest little mod you can do to your car. It takes 5 minutes. You guys saw it, so hope that was helpful. We'll see you in the next one, okay? Have a good one, guys. Peace out.